Hello my friends, so welcome again. In this video I'm going to make the edit of the listings. So here we are in the dashboard, and if I click my listing, I don't have any because I have new user here. Go to the new listings and create one. Okay, choose that one, fake filter. And state, city. Okay, feature image, open image 1, image 2, 3, and hit save. Okay, save. And we go to the dashboard. Now my listings, and we have the my listing. And by the way, I'm going to make a change. Sorry, I have not opened the terminal. cd the Laravel and cd to the classified ads. Open with code. Okay, and when we create a new, we store new listing, I'm going to redirect to the route of listings index. Okay, listings dot index, hit save and create new one, because I want to redirect the user to the listings here. Okay, new listings, fake filler and laptop. Okay, London, choose file again, just for okay, open last one and save, and now we redirect our listings. Okay, now I want to click here and go to the edit and update this listing. Okay, so here we are in the index of our listings, and we have the edit. Yeah, here we have edit, and this is going to be the listings dot edit. Okay, save, come here, refresh and click the edit button, and we go to the listings, listing ID and edit, and for that is responsible the edit a method here. I'm going to use the ID. Okay, delete that, and I'm going to say the listings. The listing is going to be listing or find the ID and return the view. And we don't have that view, just we need to create that. So listings dot edit, hit save, and now go to the views. When we have a listings here, create new file, edit.blade.php, edit.blade.php. Okay, and copy all from the create and paste it here. Now here I'm going to say edit listing, edit listings, and method is going to be, the root is going to be update, and we need to add the listing here. And by the way, I forget to pass here the listing, so compact and add the listing. Okay, listing. Okay, go to the edit, and here we need to add the ID, so listing and ID, and here we need to add the method put. Good. Now here we have a title, and I'm not adding the placeholder now. I'm going to add the value, and the value is going to be the listing title. Okay, the description is going to be here, the listing description. Okay, what we have a price, and add it here, so the listing price, and we have here we have a price negotiable, and so here I'm going to say if the listing price negotiable is and what do we have this option here? I don't know. Okay, so if the price is fixed, this is going to be selected. Otherwise, it's going to be an empty string, and I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. Just change this one here. Okay, condition, the same thing for condition. Sorry, I'm going to copy this one here and paste it. Just add the condition, not, and if this is new, it will to be selected, or if it is used, it's going to be selected. Okay, now location, add it here, the value, and the listing location. Okay, phone number, same thing. Okay, just add the dollar sign here, and we need to add the same thing to the value, So if this is 0, it's going to be selected, and or if this is 1, it's going to be selected. And I think we are okay. Change this to be update. I'm going to hit the save now and go back, refresh this one, and we have the title, we have the description here, we don't have the price, but we have the condition, which is used, and I'm going to see if this is used. Okay, so I'm going to open the table plus. Okay, and classified ads, listings, and I think is the last, or yeah, this one. And this one is, yeah, is used, condition is used. Okay, but the price is missing, and I don't know why we have the price. Okay, price, yes, a listing price, but okay, sorry friends, I just add the listing price here, not in the value. So cut this and add value, and now add the price. Okay, refresh, and now we have a price, a phone number. Okay, published, and where is the phone number? Condition, phone number. Location, yeah, is here, and the same thing for the phone number, just add the value. Okay, and refresh, and we have a phone number, and I think, yeah, we have all the values. Okay, now in the next video we need to update the display the category, subcategory and child category, and the same thing for the country and state and city, and I want to display the images we have choose here. So display the images, and if we want we can update them, choose another one. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next one very soon. All the best.